If you want to fix the overheating issue on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Battery. Now from here just tap on Charging Settings, then disable fast charging. Now after you disable fast charging, your tablet will charge a bit slower, but it will not overheat during charging. After that, just go back to the battery settings, and from here just tap on background usage limits. Then tap on sleeping apps, and from here just tap on the plus icon. Now just select the app which you don't want to run in the background. For an example, I will select these apps, and after you select these apps, just tap on add. Now after you add the apps in this list, you will stop the selected app from running in the background. Now after you do that, then just make sure you use Samsung's original charger with your tablet. If you're using a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this will not only cause the overheating issue, but this will also harm your tablet. So make sure you use Samsung's original charger or any other charger which is supported by Samsung. Since we are talking about charging, also avoid using your tablet while it is charging. Especially if you're gaming on your tablet while it is charging, then avoid doing that, because this will cause the overheating issue and this will harm the battery of your tablet. Now after you do that, then under Settings, just tap on Display, and from here just tap on Motion Smoothness. Now instead of Adaptive, just select Standard and tap on Apply. Then under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Location. Now under the location settings, just tap on Location Services. Now on this page, just scroll down and disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. And after you disable both of these options, then just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. Now from here, just tap on the software information. Now on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now I have already enabled developer options on my tablet, but if it is your first time, it might ask you to enter the password of the lock screen. After you do that, then under Settings, just scroll down, and at the bottom of the settings page, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it. Now under the developer options settings, you will find the option of running services. Now just tap on this option, and from here you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now just select the app which you don't want to run in the background and select Stop. And after you do that, you'll stop the selected app from running in the background. Just like that. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the power icon and select Restart. And after you do that, you will do a restart on your tablet. And after you complete the restart process, you will fix the overheating issue on your tablet. But if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Then just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the overheating issue on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.